Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to swap the right alt with backslash keys on MSI Stealth. You need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the delete key, and if you don't understand how to do it, there's a video on the channel on how to do it. Once that's done, go to advanced and now find backslash Alt Gr key swap, and if you enable it, then the key that by default is the right alt will work as backslash, and the one that's by default as backslash will work as right alt. And you can also just swap the key after enabling that option. You can swap the keycaps on the keyboard by just taking them off. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.